Everyone, welcome to my online class, and I am present with chapter number 15 of environmental studies. The title of this chapter is High Above the World. So let's start this class, and through this video we will learn about some exercise of this chapter. So let's start this class. Chapter number 15, and the title of this chapter is what? High above the world. High above the world. This is a third part of this chapter. In previous two videos of this chapter, in first video or first part of this chapter, we have done reading practice. In second part of this chapter, I have explained about some content of this chapter. So now we will do some exercise. Okay. So first we will do some objective types questions. Question number A. Question number A is uh, give one word answer. Give one word answer. Question number 1. Question number 1 is nearest planet to the sun. Nearest planet to the sun. Question number 2. Farthest planet to farthest planet from the sun. Question number 3 is question number 3 is largest planet largest planet of the solar system. Okay. Question number 4. Smallest planet of the solar system. Okay. Solar system. Question number 1. Unique. Next question is which planet has a ring? Which planet has a ring? Next question is which planet had which planet living things found? Living thing living things found. Question number 7. Question number 7 is planets get heat and light from from okay, there are number of planets in the solar system. Number of planets in the solar system. In the solar system. So you can see that I have written 8 questions. Okay, first we will do these all questions. Next we will go further. First question is nearest planet to the sun. Which planet is nearest to the sun? Mercury. What is answer? Mercury. 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 Second question is farthest. Farthest means सबसे दूर. Far मतलब दूर. Farthest means सबसे दूर. Farthest planet from the sun. Which planet? Farthest planet from the sun. कौन सा planet सबसे दूर है? Neptune. Neptune is the last planet. When we arrange the all planet in correct sequence, start from the nearest to the sun, from the sun and towards the end. Farthest planet from the sun, Neptune. 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 What is answer? Answer will be Neptune. Question number 3. Largest planet of the solar system. सबसे बड़ा planet कौन सा है? Jupiter. So what is answer? Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Saturn is the second largest planet of the solar system. Mars is the red planet of the solar system. Earth is blue planet of the solar system. Okay. Smallest planet of the solar system, Mercury. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet of the solar system. Okay. Which planet has a ring? किस planet में ring है? Saturn. 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 Which planet has a ring? अब अभी आप लोग अगर देखेंगे तो आप लोग के बुक में जो दिया हुआ देखिएगा कि एक रिंग की तरह जो है सैटर्न की चारों ओर. That is the ring of snow, gas and dust particles. Next question is which planet living things found? किस planet में living things पाया जाता है? Obviously Earth. Earth is the only planet where life is possible. Question number 7. Planets get heat and light from. Planet जो है heat and light कहाँ से लेते हैं? Planets get heat and light from the sun. From the sun. Okay. Next question is number of planets in the solar system. How many planets in the solar system? 8 planets. What is 8? So this is answer. So you can see that I have written the all answer 8 of question number 8 from 1 to 8. Okay. Repeat कर देता हूँ मैं. Nearest planet to the sun, Mercury. Farthest planet from the sun, Neptune. Largest planet of the solar system, Jupiter. Smallest planet of the solar system, Mercury. Which planet has a ring? Saturn. Which planet living thing found? On which planet? Okay, on which planet? On which planet living things found? Planets get heat and light from the sun. Number of planets in the solar system? 8. Okay, now come to the next question. Name the following. Question number 9 is red planet of the solar system. 8 planet of the solar system. Question number 10. Question number 10 is head of the solar system. Solar system. Question number 11. Natural head of the solar system. And so these are 10 questions. 10 questions in first number A. Question number A, total 10 questions. Red planet of the solar system, what? Mars. Mars is the red planet of the solar system. Question number 10 is head of the solar system, the sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. Head of the solar system is the sun. The sun is also in center of the solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system. इसलिए solar system, solar family, solar system is also called solar family, and the sun is the head of this solar family. जो solar family, जो सौर परिवार है, उसका मुखिया कौन है, हेड कौन है? The sun. So these are 10 objective type questions. Okay. Now I am going to write question number B. We will do some question answer also. Okay. Question number B. Question number B is write the answer of following questions. Question number 1 is why do life is possible on the earth? Why do life is possible on the earth? Answer is due to presence of air and water due to presence of air and water on its surface and on the earth. Presence of air and water in the earth. On the earth, life is possible. Due to presence of air and water on the earth, life is possible on it. Life is possible on it. Okay, so students, life क्यों possible है अर्थ पर? Due to presence of air and water, these two factors. Air and water is two factors which is present on the earth. That's why life is possible on it. And so students, in this video we have done some exercise. All of you will also do it. Thank you.